Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is falter. It's pronounced Falter, and it's spelt Falter. Think fal and then ter. Falter means to start to lose strength or momentum. For example, if someone suddenly stopped smiling, you could say their smile faltered and then faded away. The word falter has an unknown origin. It possibly comes from the Middle English word folden, meaning to fold, which was occasionally used to describe the faltering of the legs or tongue. You might think that the word falter comes from fault. However, the Oxford English Dictionary rejects any direct connection to that word. Falter is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the jockey seemed to be winning the race, but the horse faltered in the final stretch. Or you could say, the pianist hoped she would not falter during the performance. Falter is defined in the dictionary as to lose strength or purpose and stop or almost stop. Falter's synonyms include hesitate, delay, stall, pause, think twice, waver, and slow. Antonyms include calm, hold, remain, stabilize, stay, steady, continue, endure, and maintain. See if you notice anything faltering today. It could be an action or even someone's voice. If someone is talking and then they slowly lose momentum and volume until they stop talking, you could tell them not to falter. Encourage them to be confident and project their voice instead. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.